Most developers can join 2 tables, but 3 tables? That's where interviews get interesting. Let's master this fundamental SQL skill. The syntax is straightforward. Chain multiple join clauses together. Start with your from clause, add the first join with its owing condition, then immediately add the second join with its own owing condition. Each join builds on the previous result set. Notice how we go from customers to orders, then from orders to order items. The key is that each join connects to what came before. Your owing conditions must follow the foreign key relationships. Orders has a customer ID that references customers. Order items has an order ID that references orders. Always join on the foreign key columns that actually link your tables together. Getting these relationships wrong returns meaningless results or no results at all. Choose your join type carefully. Inner join only returns rows where matches exist in all tables. Left join keeps all rows from the left table even if there's no match on the right. Right join does the opposite. For our example, left join makes sense if we want customers even if they have no orders. 2 quick tips. Use table aliases to avoid ambiguity when columns have the same name across tables. And remember, join order matters for performance. Put the most selective table first and make sure your foreign key columns are indexed. Chain your joins with proper foreign keys, pick the right join type, and use aliases for clean code. Practice this pattern and 3 table joins become second nature. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.